Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where a cold front brings in cloudy and wet weather over the southwestern part of South Africa. This particular front affects mainly the Western Cape, but it still brings in cooler temperatures through to the western and southwestern parts, as well as some cloud along the south coast. We're also expecting a bit of cloud over the northeastern and northern interior, with a sunny and warm day for the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal. Then much later on in the day, we'll see thundershowers forming from the Free State all the way through to the coast. In fact, you'll see those isolated evening thundershowers from the southern Free State all the way through to the Eastern Cape coastline on our rainfall probability map. And then the cold front brings in a 60% chance of rain in the southwest, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head further inland. Johannesburg will top 20 degrees, 22 for Mahikeng and Pretoria. A warm afternoon for Bombela at 24, with Ermelo and Bethlehem remaining cool at 18 degrees. 27 as we head towards Pietermaritzburg, with maximum temperatures heading into the mid-20s for Mthatha, Bishu and Grahamstown. We're expecting a mild day for Port Elizabeth at 22 degrees, with a warm day for the rest of that coastline. A northwesterly wind is forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, with more of a northeasterly wind as we head towards Durban and Richards Bay, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. Warm for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, but with a cooler day for the Western Cape interior. 19 degrees as we head towards Robertson, 16 for Muizenberg, with a moderate northwesterly wind in the morning, but with those winds turning to the southwest behind the cold front. Variable winds are expected along the southern Cape coastline, and the winds start off from the northwest in the morning but end off in a southerly direction in the evening. Overall, we're expecting a westerly component to the wind here, with light to moderate winds between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and along the south coast we're expecting a 3 metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. It'll be a cool Friday over the western and southern part of the Northern Cape, with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s for Uppington, Prieska and Kimberley. Along the west coast we're forecasting a light to moderate northwesterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Cape Town, and that's mainly in the first part of the day. Winds turn to the southwest as we head into the afternoon. 17 degrees for Alexander Bay, with a light south-southwesterly wind and a 2 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast, and we're expecting a larger swell around Cape Town. On Saturday, we're forecasting thundershowers over the central interior with some light rain for East London. Cloud builds up along the east coast, but with that mild weather continuing for Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Friday.